Hello guys, this is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials, and this is the night routine video which you are going to see today, and this is going to help you to do your night routine as well. It's gonna be super simple and basic with all the beautiful small little affordable products right for you, and the most simplest night routine which you can follow every day, even if you're working, even if you go out, or even if you are busy the entire day and you don't have too much of time for yourself. This is going to be a very quick night routine, and this was requested by Diksha, my friend. So this one's for you, Diksha, and all you girls out there who want to know the simplest night routine which you can follow every day for a good and healthy looking skin. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So the first step is, if you have any makeup, please remove it off and please wash your face with a beautiful face wash. So yeah, I have washed my face with the NEUTROGENA Deep Clean Facial Cleanser today, and this is my bare skin without any makeup, without any kind of a product on my face. So now we'll quickly moisturize my face. So the lotion for the face which I use is the Johnson's Baby Lotion. I love this, and I take a good amount and a generous pump of this little guy over here and apply it all over my face. So first I concentrate on all the dry parts of my face, particularly the center portions of my face, honestly speaking, because that's the most dried part in the winters and that's the most oily part in the summers. I do not miss my eyes as well, all the way down to my neck, and all that is left goes on my hands. So after we are done with this moisturizer, what I do is take the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Again, the most simplest product available in India or anywhere else in the world. This is the key to soft skin, you guys. So if you really want nice and supple lips in the morning, I'm applying a heavy amount on my lip. That can just go randomly. A little bit over your lips is also fine. This looks a little weird, but it's okay. They are your lips. You need to take care of them, and you can take care of them in a best way when no one's watching. That's the time of your sleeping. So now another tip which I'm going to give you right here is definitely very important. So please do not miss this. This is for the intensive care of your eyelashes and eyebrow hair. Take a eyebrow brush like this, and I coat the Vaseline on this, and then you just apply it like your mascara and on your eyebrows as well. If you don't have such brush, you can use your fingertip. Take some Vaseline on it, heat it between your two fingers. I can show you the closer effect of this. And just apply like you are applying your mascara. And do not forget the lower lash line as well. And whatever left on your finger can go on your eyebrows. So this is the extensive care of your eyebrows and your eyelash to grow longer and thicker. And now we go to the under eyes, which is another task or another worry for all the girls out there. And my solution to that is the beautiful aloe vera gel. So it can be any aloe vera gel. I am using the Patanjali aloe vera gel, which is very famous in India back there. And I am going to take a nice amount over my fingertip, and I'm just going to apply it right under my eyes where my dark circles are, and I am going to leave a thick coat there. I am going to take one more tip of aloe vera gel for the other eye. So yeah, I apply a very generous amount under my eyes like that, and I leave it overnight. You can gently massage your under eyes with this gel. I am sure it's not gonna soak up all the product, but yes, it will help in soaking it. And I know it looks a little weird or funny when you do this, but I guess it's fine because it's your night routine and your main motto is to look good the next day, not when you're doing all these, right girls? So after all these things are done, you just need to go and sleep. So this is my nighttime routine, you guys. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to share it with all your friends who need a night routine and they're looking for a simple one. And this is super amazing and super simple. So if you like my video, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to comment in the comment section below how do you feel about the products which I've used. These are the most easiest and most simplest product which I could get, and genuinely I use them. I know I am looking very shiny and very ugly right now, but it's okay. I am going to sleep anyway. So that's it for today and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.